In the manufacturing industry, the sliding headstock is a service that is performed to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of the production process. The sliding headstock is a component of a lathe machine that allows the workpiece to move longitudinally while the cutting tool remains stationary. This service is particularly useful in the production of small and complex parts that require high precision and accuracy. The sliding headstock service is performed by skilled technicians who are trained to operate and maintain the lathe machine. The process involves setting up the machine to ensure that the workpiece is securely held in place and aligned with the cutting tool. The technician then adjusts the machine settings to control the speed and depth of the cutting tool, ensuring that the workpiece is machined to the required specifications. The sliding headstock service is commonly used in the production of parts for the automotive, aerospace, and medical industries, where precision and accuracy are critical. This service can also be used in the production of parts for consumer products, such as electronics and appliances. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a wide range of industries. The company has a team of skilled technicians who are trained to perform the sliding headstock service to ensure that their clients receive high-quality parts that meet their exact specifications. Berkness Company understands the importance of precision and accuracy in the manufacturing process, and they are committed to providing their clients with the best possible service. If you are interested in learning more about the sliding headstock service or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit their Contact Us page on their website. Their team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is a sliding headstock in manufacturing? A sliding headstock is a component of a lathe machine that moves along the bed of the lathe to support and rotate the workpiece. It allows for greater precision and flexibility in machining operations, particularly for small and complex parts. 2. What are the advantages of using a sliding headstock in manufacturing? The use of a sliding headstock in manufacturing offers several advantages, including increased accuracy and repeatability, reduced setup times, and improved productivity. It also allows for the machining of longer and more complex parts, as well as the ability to perform multiple operations in a single setup. 3. What types of manufacturing processes commonly use sliding headstocks? Sliding headstocks are commonly used in precision machining operations, such as those found in the medical, aerospace, and automotive industries. They are particularly useful for producing small and intricate parts, such as screws, bolts, and other fasteners, as well as components for watches and other precision instruments. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.